Slider going in. Got a 2x4 window going in here. We're going to have a horizontal window over here.
Got 2 screws right here before we screw that thing down in.
And then a window here.
Fits in backwards.
Doors we did like a month ago. Can see too how all this came along. Get the fans in, all the rough plumbing. Vanity will go here. This will be a pocket door for a toilet. All the plumbing, you can see the piping up in here. All the rough electrical, smoke detectors. This will be a washer and dryer closet here. Walk-in closet. So, homeowner went with the right choice using copper. Still got flux on it. It's looking good though. Insulation and drywall starting in ASAP after we get these doors and windows in. Overkill. Probably don't need to flash it all the way, but whatever. Shit's cheap. And we're good. 2x4 window in on the side here. Slider door in. We already put that door in. And we got these 2 windows.